Hello there. Time now for Pulse on WION The World is One. We're glad you're watching. Thank you for joining us at this hour. I'm Eric Njoka. The headlines. Lebanese Health Minister Firas Abiad says 8 people were killed and some 2,750 wounded in pager explosions across the country, with Hezbollah saying the pagers were used by its members. Hezbollah says Israel fully responsible for pager blasts amid heightened violence between Israel and the Lebanon-based militia. Pakistan and Taliban are in a fresh diplomatic standoff over disrespect to Pakistan anthem by Taliban's Consular General in Peshawar. Georgia's ruling party adopts a controversial family values bill denounced by rights groups and the European Union as curbing the rights of LGBTQ+ people. A global analysis predicts infections of drug-resistant superbugs are projected to kill nearly 40 million people over the next 25 years, with the researchers urging action to avoid this grim scenario. Superstar rapper Sean Diddy Combs arrested after being charged with racketeering, conspiracy and sex trafficking in an indictment that accuses the superstar rapper of engaging in decades of sexual abuse of women. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.